Where you live isn't just a place, it's your canvas. The beginning and end of all your adventures. Every corner holds a story. Every street's a journey. Your environment isn't just a backdrop, it's a living, breathing part of your story, waiting to be explored in countless ways. From the sprawling fields to the urban landscapes, it's beautiful, it's strong, it lives, and we must take good care of it. Every day, we work tirelessly to cultivate our surroundings and to leave no footprint behind. Imagine working in a serene and clean place where the only sound you hear is a gentle hum of progress. With a full battery at the start of a day and no worries about charging, you can focus on what truly matters, bringing your vision to life. Join us on this journey as we redefine what it means to work in the green sector. Together, let's sow the seeds for a new future, powered by innovation. AllTrec. Zero emissions, full performance.